What's up, it's Chase with Cali Raised LED, and today I'm going to show you how to install our sequential turn signals on your 10 to 13 4Runner as well as your 12 to 15 Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. As far as what tools you're going to need, it's very simple. You're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to do this install. So for our first step, we're going to go ahead and take this plastic trim piece off. That's going to expose our previous light and allow us to put the new one on. So let's get started with that. So we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic trim right here. These pop out fairly easily. You can use a pry tool or you can just use your hands. I want to emphasize, just be mindful of what you are doing because we don't want to be too rough with it and break any pins. But for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out like so. And they should just pop out fairly easily, just with a little force, just like this, and all of our pins are intact. This is going to go ahead and reveal the two screws that we're going to be focusing on. So let's go ahead and get this one off and install the new one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my screws with my Phillips head. So at this point, we have this just hanging here right now. So I'm going to go ahead and set my screwdriver to the side. I'm going to grab this and we're going to go ahead and remove the connector that's already on it. And that's going to allow us to fully disconnect this from the mirror to put our new one on. So here is our new sequential light. We're going to go ahead and line this up. Your connectors are going to be on the same side as the connector to your vehicle. You're just going to go ahead and line these holes up right here. And once we do that, we can go ahead and add a screw in to hold it in place to make it easier for us to work. Now, once I have this secured in place, I'm going to go ahead and start messing with our wires. You're going to have a 2-pin connector, and that's going to plug straight into this connection right here. Like so. You should hear it click in and it's secured. We do also have this switch, and we want to go ahead and make sure that it is switched on before we tuck it away. Now that I have everything set up, I do want to emphasize that if we look at this right here, you're going to have a circle and a line. In order to get the sequential look, you're going to have that enabled to the circle. Otherwise, it's going to look like this, and it would just be a non-sequential line. So again, circle is how we reach that sequential look. So now that I've gotten everything wired up and in the correct position, I'm gonna go ahead and add my screws back on and then pop my plastic piece back into its original position. All right, guys, that wraps up this install. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave a comment below what install you'd like to see next, and we'll see you in the next one.